Okay, so in my opinion, AI is good. AI is good, and most of the people they say that AI is snatching our job. I don't think that it is truth, because if you ignore AI, so it will impact bad on yourself. And if you take the information about AI, so it is good for you. And if you take if you do work by the AI, so it you can say it make your work easy, and you will be able to do your work in a less time.
Amit. Okay. As you don't know that AI is snatching a job, so definitely AI is snatching a job. You can see everything, every work it's done by AI nowadays. If you see editing, graphic design, like coding, like Python, Java, CC, Java, whatever the language we can get from the Canva. Okay. What you, and because of that, the people who used to earn a lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, still they are not earning as much. They are just earning 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. So why
Maybe
we
you don't
should
have
not blame?
Okay, maybe you don't have the full information about that. If you know how to use AI, if you know how to use how to edit the video, so you can say that you can edit the video in a less time by the help of AI, and by the help of, you can say, take the knowledge by the chat GPT.
That's why which editor used to edit a single video in 1 hour, 2 hour, 10 hour. It is just by the AI we can make in just a GP in just 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes.
So
Because
it
of
is
that,
it is good for us. You can say
why
it
it
is
is
good for
good for
us.
us? If we are snatching the jobs of editor, you know the earning of editor. If editor has a single influencer, so he can earn on a lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. He can demand in a month, but an influencer is just editing by the AI just at free of cost. So
It is not a
Samir
thing
was
that you will just easily make the video by the help of AI. You have to give the right command. You can say, tell the right way to give the information to edit the video.
I'm not asking that how to make videos by the AI. I'm just
You
asking
said
that
that we
AI
can
is
make the video
snatching.
very easily.
What?
You said that we can make the video very easily by the help
So,
of AI. So it is not that much
why
easy.
not? Just if you want to, whatever you want, like a CapCut. There are also AI tools in a CapCut by which you can just edit with lots of prompt. Okay, just you should not have to give a long prompt. You should not have to learn some prompts. It's just a simple English language by which you can give and you will get the video.
Okay, as you
editing.
said that many of the people they used to earn on lakh, but they are not being able to still earn. But if you see the data, like if that who are earning by freelancing, they are being able to earn while sitting at their home, and they are being able to earn, like you can say, lakh.
Freelancing.
Yes.
So you can
It
see
is also a part of the AI.
like freelancing, okay. But who that you can say before the Gen Z generation, they were used to hard work, okay, and they gave the performance and they were earning lots of money. But now you can see because of the AI, you can see there is some demands in freelancing too, by which we are not being able to get the more job, okay. We are not being able to get a lots of money. You can say we are just getting 500, 600. It's enough for a one video for one project.
Okay.
You can say like that.
So it is depend on your creativity, that which kind of creativity
I have creativity,
you are
but AI is
putting.
snatching my creativity in just at 30 rupees, 50 rupees.
It is
If
not
I am paying
snatching the
just,
creativity, it is the giving the more
if I am paying,
creativity.
if I am paying 100
Okay,
rupees to
Haya.
AI.
First, I would aspire to give my point and then I'll counter it. So, in my perspective, AI is the best because AI, we can say, as he had mentioned a point about like AI snatching the job. So, I really don't think here is anything like that because of AI, people are earning while sitting at their home. Because of AI, they are being able to sell their products while sitting at their home.
Okay, tell the jokes name.
Tell the jobs. Okay, you have mentioned if you are an influencer, so it is obvious.
But
You are gonna earn a lot if you are a vlogger and as well as
so
if
is
you.
there any connection with AI that if you
It
are
is obvious,
influencer,
it
you
is-
will earn more? Why? Tell.
Apps
But
and YouTube, WhatsApp,
so
Instagram,
it
these
used
are
to-
also a part of
it
AI.
used to make okay in parallel time 2, now it's 2. If you see by the AI, we can just by the Canva, you can say just we can make a website
Okay,
in a
Alexa.
GP.
As you have talked about that by technology is different, AI is different. As we guys are talking about AI, because of the technology we have developed most. But if I talk about AI, what is it doing? Snatching our job. Like have you seen the videos of nowadays. How do they make anything they are making with the help of AI, and we even don't know, we are unable to find what's fake and what's the reality. Okay, so first of all, I want to start to tell you that because of AI, we can create our identity, we can earn, we can show our talent. Okay, we can spread our talent. I think we are unable to show our talent because of AI. We even deter ourselves to do anything because we think if we with the help of AI we can do everything in a jiffy. But I do not think so. We have to also invest our time as well. And those who do AI and something else, it's just a waste of time. I think in every country you can see the billionaire, the people they say even AI is not good. It's gonna snatch our world and the future as well. Okay, you have mentioned of those people. Do you know? If I talk about even a lot of people, you can have an example of Elon Musk. So the thing is that he has a lot of apps, and the thing is that AI is also somewhere or other he is included in AI. So you have mentioned about, I had heard that once he had said that artificial intelligence is not for as much beneficial for human.
Yeah.
Okay, but the thing is that he had made, and it is very beneficial for him. And he is saying, so you can just think that
We had made AI for using in some things, but in which thing we are using, that's very bad. We are using in bad thing.
okay, if I talk about AI, if those people are who has 12 passed,
Yeah.
they don't have any kind of like, we can say skills. Even though they have, so they are not able to show their skills. By the AI they can show. By
By the AI, there's how?
it is how you can see a lot of
You
influence.
have talked about India
Okay,
who has 12
Namaste.
pass, they are making you.
Okay, so which kind of jobs and which kind of skill you are talking about? If a student they have any kind of skill, just because of AI he's unable to show his skill. But if I talk about the AI, as everyone has said that by the AI we can do our work in a jiffy. So why we need any kind of person for getting done our work? We just depend on the AI.
Okay, you have mentioned about this whole thing. Why don't you see the benefits of AI? It can do your work in a jiffy.
Which kind of benefits you are talking about? That by the AI, there are so many people they are just making the fake videos that I can't even tell you that which kind of videos are they making nowadays.
Okay,
They are
you
just
just
making
have
fun.
seen disadvantage of AI because you are not being able to see advantage of AI. If you want advantage of AI, it is very
Just
it is very
kind of-
beneficial.
which kind of advantage?
Okay,
by
you
AI
want
we
to
can
know
get?
previous time girls used to oppress okay, so no
So
one would
by
know.
the
But if I
AI,
talk, you
they
are
are-
yeah, obviously
by the
if
AI,
there is any
they are
rape
making-
happen, so by the AI people they are aware.
By the AI.
Yeah, by
Oh
the AI.
man, the both thing are
I
different.
know there are something different, but you would aspire to know here.
Okay, Om.
So I want to counter Tapasya. As you're talking about that, nowadays so many people are making bad videos at a time. You must know, if suppose if you're using in good ways at a time, your videos are also gonna come in good ways. But if you're trying to use it in bad way, so bad videos are gonna come.
Okay, so if a person they are infatuated or if they are person they are demanding of the bad video, so or it is always everyone they will make the bad video by the AI.
Do you
And now
demand
you can see the Indian youth, they are not just making, they're talking about they are just not making a good videos by the AI. They are just talking about the bad videos.
Do you want bad videos?
No.
So at the time,
No, they are just
if you
making
don't
fun.
want, if you don't want bad videos at a time, bad videos are also not gonna come.
I'm not talking about the fun videos. That how do they make? Even we can't find that which is the which is the real video and which is the fake video.
So it is
If
your
I-
problem.
No, it's not a problem.
Do you know?
It's a problem about.
Because of AI, we are also coming to know that we can easily study as well as there are so many students in our academy just like she, and we can see that there are so many students they don't study and they don't know about the topics at the time. They can easily go to the ChatGPT and
Okay,
easily know
and you
about
have said that they don't know about they don't study, they don't know about the topic.
Yes.
If they don't study, so why they will go to the ChatGPT? They will just scroll their phone at all. As they will not just search about the topic.
Everyone is
They
not
will just
that
ask the random question to the AI.
there are so many people those who want to study but just only because of fees they are not being able to study but just only because of
AI will teach-
so many people
AI teaches them.
they are becoming IAS and IPS.
So by the AI, they are becoming IPS and IAS.
Yes, do you know?
No, you
around
don't.
maybe 80,000 people they have
Okay,
become
Abdul.
IAS and IPS.
Okay, tell me the name who has become the IA. By the AI, tell the name.
Bro, there are 80,000 names. If I start counting at a time,
Let me count only 5. Make me count only 25. I don't want 80,000.
Okay,
Make it
Rakesh Kumar first. Just listen. Okay.
That kind of knowledge you guys are having just because of by the AI you guys are having the fake knowledge. By the AI you guys are, you are not using your mind to study. You are just asking ChatGPT.
Tell me how many people are in the world?
9 billion.
9 billion. You all are wrong.
You tell.
8 billion.
8 billion.
Yes. Just you can also go to the ChatGPT and you can easily know.
What about the pile giving video?
Who pile giving video? Do you watch? Wait. I don't watch pile giving videos. You watch
Do
it.
you
It
know
is
about
good
the
for you.
pile? You don't watch now?
No.
Be shut first.
So you just be shut up.
Let me speak first. And we have talked about the benefits of AI at all. Let me tell you, as a lot of MMS. If you talk about, let me talk about a browser. There is a browser by which there are a lot of dark webs. There are a lot of AIs. Dark AIs by
we watch
which.
dark
Be
web.
shut first.
Oh bro.
I am
do you-
speaking now.
Just
I am
bars.
speaking. Do you say your mother to the
Arre,
bar
bro.
when she speaks?
Are you my mother?
Let me tell you. As you have talked about that bank, so there are a lot of dark AIs and dark web browsers just because of AI, you guys are having to know about them. Do you?
Do you go at your home and search dark web at all? Do you search? Do you check file gaming's MS?
How many people can you tell me? Could you tell me?
How just only because of you. Your kind of people they only want bad videos.
It's being made by the AI, not by us.
Listen, so much you are talking about dark web. What is dark web?
Dark web is very dark.
And he said dark web is very dark. Like you. Why is saying about this? If he doesn't know dark web, why is talking about this? What is dark web? Tell me.
Bro, yeah, dark web is a app.
What happens? What happens?
What happens?
Have you ever wrote
It is AI.
Not AI. It is website. Have you ever wrote this?
Just give your point, bro.
Listen, AI is the best. AI is the no. AI is the
And AI is best.
AI is not bad. No, AI is bad for us because of you can see that. So as the point was mentioned by Amit, he said AI is snatching our job. We can say that by CapCut and so many apps of black box AI. If you do you know about prompt?
Yes.
Prompt. What happened?
And as you talk about
Okay, as you were talking about the FS of file gaming, so it was not looking like a real. Okay, if
How was it made?
how was it made? It made by AI, and you can
So
see
isn't
that
it bad?
which one, who did this? This crime? That person has arrested by the police, and he was
How was
apologizing
it made?
that I will
It has
not
been,
make any other video again.
Let me tell you, it has been, distributed in, whole country, our country. How was it made? Just because of AI. That's why AI is bad.
If some videos are making by the AI, so the criminal are also arresting by the AI. You are not watching that the benefits of the AI too.
But after that we are having. But before that you just are creating the videos
So
of.
before that you will not have as much technology, as
I am
much
talking about-
artificial intelligent things.
So
which
that's
we
why
have
the videos of these kind of videos were also not being made by the AI because there was not AI.
So what
now
happens
it is.
if India, as you know,
Okay,
that
what happens?
unemployment-
Let me tell you. If a girl earns, speak.
Okay, you know very well that India is not. You can see the employment rate is not as much. Okay, in India, so that's why by the AI we are making some of the video on social media by which Indian people are getting the jobs by which they are earning by the
Okay, if
social
you are not
media.
getting the employment, just make ML video. You will
Who?
get.
It's,
You are
it's
saying
a
now.
illegal work, and by
You
this
are saying
MMS,
that-
listen,
let me tell you.
these illegal works why you cannot share on the social media, and you
okay,
cannot
you
earn
talk
money.
about AI is giving AI is employment cost. So I think that by the AI as the Payal one video, so it is also made by the AI, and it is
So
not
the
good. And
person
you
who
are
has
saying that he
arrested
has
also
gone,
arrested by
he
the
has
AI. So
arrested.
what happened?
But still, what about that girl? She suicide because of that video.
Who decided? Because of AI.
Okay, guys. Why are you only talking about snatching jobs and only about pile game?
Yeah.
You are right.
Listen,
But-
who did crime with pile gaming? that one person has arrested too, okay, and he was apologizing in front of Pile Gaming, in front of our society too, okay. The case has, and you can see. Now, if you have another point, so give. Otherwise, you can see.
Okay, I want to counter Abdul's point. As it was spoken by you that how many people they become IPS officers. So I don't know that how many people they become like they become or not. But I can say that them so that that who are working on AI and who know how to use AI, they are earning more than AI.
How are they?
IPS officer.
How are they earning? Could you tell? How are they earning? Could you tell?
They are earning that if you know how to use AI, so maybe you that's why you are asking this question.
Everyone knows how to use AI. They
They
just
know how to they use for that asking question for this
How should they use?
question. If you know that how to use AI and with like you can say ChatGPT, so you can know that you can work on LinkedIn, Fiverr, and there are many apps that you can do freelancing by which you can earn more than like you can say like normal people that you can earn.
as she has talked about LinkedIn at all, let me tell you, there are, you know, they don't let, they hire you for your, the work which you do, not by the AI. There are a lot of detector by which they detect that it has been, this work has been done by the AI, then they reject that work.
As you said, they hire you that work that you do. How we do? By the help of AI. That we do that work by the AI. If there is no AI, so maybe we cannot do that work in a proper way.
How are, okay, when there was no AI, how are we doing?
So there was not this. There was not like you can say craze about in AI that like nowadays we are doing editing and graphic design, these kind of things. After coming AI, the craze was you can say increased.
How?
Has increased.
There is nothing. The graphic designing cannot be done by the AI. The video editing cannot be done by the AI. For your kind of information, let me tell you.
Okay.
In the editing app, there's personal, you know, kind of assistant. There is not any kind of AI to, you know, edit your videos at all.
Okay, Charanjit.
Okay, you are talking about that there are so many things which cannot be done by AI, but I would like to tell you just because of AI there are so many influencers and so many content creators, they are earning well. You know how? Just because of the AI they are making videos and they are explaining it well, and these are the things they are also being used in the education sector, by which many of the concepts and content are being explained in a very better manner by the visualization.
Some are earning and some are suiciding just because of AI.
I
Some
tell
are earning.
Some
And some are also suiciding by the AI with the help of AI.
I tell you. You have a knife. You use it to cut fruits, but I use it to murder. So who is wrong? A knife
Who
or a
has
hand?
used in murder.
The same thing. AI is not wrong. The person who is using AI, it is wrong.
I want to say one thing from Abdul. Abdul, as you mentioned, you have mentioned about suicide. Like so many of those people do suicide because of AI. So many of the people do suicide for like education because they cannot handle that pressure. So do you think that education is also bad, like AI?
They are just suiciding just because of education. They are not able to done. They are not able to do anything. But why? Just because of where they are. Why? Do you know why they are suiciding? Just because of the society blame. That they will blame on me because my video has been leaked. This thing has been leaked. That's why they are suiciding. They are not suiciding for education. They are suiciding that I have not cleared that this exam. That's why I
But
am
in both the
suiciding.
cases, they are attempting suicide. So if you are considering that suicide, if a
Would you
person
not
is suiciding
consider-
after AI use, so maybe in the case of a person who has attempted suicide because of education, so it must also be bad education.
If okay, there are different kind of things you can.
Suicide is suicide, whether it is for like a good reason or a bad reason. If you cannot handle that pressure and you attempted suicide, and even it is for like society, if you couldn't handle society pressure and you suicide, both cases it is suicide. So you cannot blame AI totally if they couldn't handle the pressure of their society. So it's their problem.
Why their problem? Why are we making their video? Why it is their problem? It is a problem of AI.
Okay, so when there was no video at that time, also MMS used to get leaked.
Not as much nowadays are
How do
getting.
you know? How do you know? Do you have any data?
How did there were 2 to 3 videos which were getting leaked before the year.
Only
But
two?
if you see now there are a lot of videos which are getting leaked.
Okay,
Every
give me
day,
example.
every hour,
Give me
there is a
give me
video
examples.
getting leaked.
Give me examples. Except
Himanshu.
imagining.
as he has talked about MMS, as MMS used to leak before AI, but they used to very real. But now they are making someone those who don't do like that, and they are making them
Okay, so
MMS.
I think that was very bad. Now,
No, why that
because
was very bad?
You said that was very real, and now that it is very fake. Like you can.
It means you are learning, and means there was a video of Rashmika Mandana, and she was not but there was a Photoshop. Was it good? That was not
Definitely, it
good.
wasn't good, but everything has so many merits as well as demerits.
So,
you cannot.
but
you are
AI
just watching the
demerits are more
demerits.
than
Only one
merits.
demerit you have.
No.
Only one demerit
No,
you have.
that-
I can
I-
list out so many of the merits of AI.
Oh, tell.
Okay, so AI saves your time. It can edit your videos. It, as you, so many of the students said that it snatch jobs. It gives jobs too. If there is a proper team to work on an AI, like OpenAI, do you know about it? ChatGPT is like one application of that.
That's why I'm thinking that people are becoming lazy in this country because they think that everything can be done by the AI. That's why they sit at their home, they don't do anything, they don't go outside, they don't explore the world, they sit at their home and they earn by that money and they waste that money.
How are they becoming lazy from the AI?
If you are sitting at your home, you are not doing anything, you are not doing any kind of workout, you are not doing any kind of exercise, so
Okay,
how will you not become Baba?
Is AI is like
Is it shaped by
huh, is it done by AI? If I am not doing workout, so it is not.
So right now you
the
said that
problem
we
of
can
AI.
earn money while sitting at our home through AI.
Yeah.
So
it is
hence
good.
proof.
When there was no I still
Okay, Charanjit.
Okay. You are talking about it just because of the AI people are becoming lazy. I would like to tell you that because of AI people are getting good structure by which they are becoming more productive. Even though it is about going gym, doing exercise, AI is a thing which is providing a proper guideline to
Yes,
them
yes.
that what you should do, what you should not do. So it also works like a counseling.
AI provides you guideline, but AI does not provide you a trainer because if you take any kind of wrong step, then you will get that, not your AI will get that.
AI is talking about it, what kind of step you have to do. If you give the AI a proper kind of information about you, then it will create a proper structure about that. What kind
It is
of
artificial, not practical. Practical is very important and artificial because they can show anything. They show that a celebrity has done that, a celebrity has done that, but it is not real. I can tell you so many examples, but it will be
You are
very weird.
going out of the topic.
No, it is in the topic.
We are talking about the trainer. You are talking about the trainer. I am talking about
Okay,
the AI.
talk
AI
about
also
trainer.
works as a trainer. Trainer will not come to you and he will lift weight just for you. You will have to lift.
Have you gone gym?
Yes, I have gone so many times. And you have not gone. You have not gone to the parlor. That's why you look like this.
I think you have gone in a wrong place because if you had gone in a gym, then you would have not made a body. And I think that you haven't gone in a gym because if you had gone in a gym, then you would have seen that there are trainers who lift the weight for you. First of all, they tell you that how to lift the weight because
It
if
is
you
not lifting. It is supporting. They support that person that if you are able to lift.
so that's why they are better because AI cannot support you.
AI is not made for that. AI is for counseling. It is for it is for showing you the right path. If you want to choose any kind of career, so it will tell you that which kind of career you should choose as per you.
But
a gym trainer will not tell you about that. But an AI can also do the work of trainer and also a work of your mentor.
But I think if you want to select about a career, then your parents and your friends can tell you better because they have experience more than AI.
No. You are totally wrong here. My parents will not be able to tell me better because they are ill-educated. But AI has.
So it is with you. It is not with me. So it is your problem, na?
It is everyone's problem. If you find every person in that, many of the parents they are not educated whose children are sitting here.
Sorry, but I did not ask any of
But
the parents that are educated
access of AI everybody has in this room.
Yes.
So that's why AI is better than our parents. Even for parents.
Okay, Charanjit. Sorry.
As you were mentioning about a lot of the merits about AI, so
Charanjit, go there.
On lot of demerits of AI because nowadays we are able to see everyone, as you have mentioned, that everyone has access to AI, and that is the main thing which is actually dangerous for us. Why? Because somewhere lots of the scam, if we talk about, they are making fool people by generating AI videos and all. Maybe you would know about very well because it's very difficult to nowadays find about what is fake, what is real. For us, those don't know how to use AI properly. Because of that, they got scammed by that.
So it is not the fault of the AI. It is fault of the user. They do not have proper information about it. They are unaware.
So it's a platform.
AI is not saying that
It is
you
a
cannot get the
platform
knowledge
by
about
the users. Let me complete first. It is a platform by the users. Those are using for their benefit. They are using it and they are scamming others, and because of that, others are suffering.
Other also have the same platform By which they can also gather the information that which is right or which is wrong, which video is AI generated, which is not. There are so many platforms, there are so many kind of concepts which you need to learn if you want to use AI. I don't know much about the AI, that's why I don't try to touch it. But those who know, they are doing it very well. Just because of the AI, there are lots of the employment is increasing. I also understand that there are lots of workforce is getting decreasing in many of the sector, but it is also increasing the employment too. So both things.
As you mentioned about that, there are lots of the people those knows how to use AI, so they are using AI for their personal growth. And for their personal growth, they are using AI for their benefit. Because of that, they are also misusing it for scamming others.
It is
My main point about that.
It
It's
is
a
not-
very big loophole in AI.
It is not only with AI, it is with everything. You know, many of the people they also use internet to misuse many of the things. Many of the people they are also using smartphone to scam others. So you know the same thing applies on that. So it is not about only AI. It is generic. It is everywhere.
Before that, there was a chain block system which used to like support us to used to like because of that we used to save ourselves. But now it is also surpassing the chain block system, and because of the AI, it's actually
No.
difficult for
That is
everyone
totally
to
wrong.
identify what is the
Blockchain system is-
And let me complete first. And if you talk about there are lots of the influencer, there are lots of the rich people. If you want to take their advice, we can go virtually. We can't meet with physically them, right? Because of that, nowadays it's difficult to find that if there is a video of the influencer, whatever he's saying, it is virtual, it is real.
No, it is not that much hard.
Yeah.
I tell you, because expression is there is a kind of thing which is called expression, and AI is not that much efficient to recreate the expression of a human. There are so many kind of serials are going on Hotstar,
Maybe you won't have
Jio Hotstar
that.
and Netflix. If you closely examine those characters, so you will find that expression they are not that much real as we see of human. So it is very easy to capture that it is AI generated or not. Maybe it is the fault of the people that they are not that much educated or they are not that much aware about AI. So it is for them. They need to be educated. They need to change as per the environment, as per the world, which they are not doing. It's their fault.
It is not their fault, it is the fault of our government because it is the fault of our education system which doesn't teach us about AI at all, this kind of stuff.
So it is not
And this is
fault
not
of AI
people.
then.
Yeah, this is not a people, and maybe it's the fault of AI.
How it
if
is?
they are like if they are giving access to each one.
There
Let me tell you.
there is a-
There is a website open, there is a Netflix. Nobody
Yeah.
can get access of it.
Everybody
Only the
can get.
Prime-
Everybody can
Let
get.
me
You
tell
need to pay subscription.
Let me speak first. Only the prime, like those has subscription of the Netflix, only they can.
Yeah.
So this kind type of same app, like we need some kind of instruction in that. Only if you can access this. For those are students, those are
Okay, both of you.
for the purpose.
Lovely.
So I would like to give my opinion that is, you guys think that AI is obnoxious for you. It means it is easy to use, but somewhere or the other, when we talk about AI, so it is the most dangerous thing that you would have never seen. Let's talk about those girls those videos were generated by AI. You can say as fake videos, and still they are attempting to suicide. There were many points which were counted by everyone that you can recognize that yes, it is fake or not. But still, people have people have known them by looking those videos, and they have attempted that. And because of the scammers can do anything. It can generate your video in such bad way. So of course, why not? You can also not do anything. And let's talk about second point, that is about intelligence. How much do you use your intelligence? If you have any work, you will just search on the AI and just like ChatGPT and Meta AI. There are different types of AIs. You will only search on that and just you will get your answer. You will not be able to find your intelligence. That's why it is, you can say, it is not favorable for us to use AI. That's all about the point.
Okay, now one by one, guys, you have to give your opinion. Who has not spoken yet? You can give. Rika.
Opinion. So in my perspective, AI is bad for us. Yeah, it is snatching our jobs because like if we don't know how to use AI, so it is snatching our job. In upcoming future generation, it is if they don't know how to use AI, so it is very bad for them because AI will snatch their jobs, and there are many pros and cons of AI. But if I talk about cons, so AI it leaked the data of a person. It leaks the data of a person, so it is not good. And that's all.
Next, Bhavna. One by one, you have to.
So, from my vantage point, I really think that AI is not a bad thing. But those people, they are using AI in a bad way. This is a bad thing. And I wanna say that in Japan there are many of the farmers. They cultivate farmers who are
Who are
there,
farming?
no, listen. There are AI.
There is a
No, robots.
okay.
It's also come in AI. Okay. It's also come in AI. So it's also part of AI. So there are robots farmer who cultivates and which cultivates. So I really think that if we want, really we all want a country as Japan, as China, but we don't want that thing. And our second point I wanna give that I don't know why you all guys think like it is a waste of time and just is snatching your jobs and all. I really don't think that it is happening because in today's generation, time is the most significant thing in our life, and it's very short. And for time, I really think that it's very good thing because by which we can save our time. And I think that AI is not bad, but if those people those are using AI in a bad way, this thing is a bad.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so I think that AI has so many deep merits, and like it can reduce human efforts, it can reduce human errors as well. And in AI, by using AI, you can get answers within a second. And nobody likes to go on Wikipedia or websites for reading an article. And you can go to AI and just type your prompt, whatever you wanna know, and it will give you answer within a second. And Shiv mentioned that my parents are educated. Your parents are educated in only one field. If your father is a doctor, so maybe he would know about his subjects, but he cannot know about everything what is happening in the over the globe. So AI can provide you information of everything which is happening, and about science, about mathematics, about our history, for everything. And as a point was given by Amit as well. What was that?
Okay.
So in my perspective, I think the AI is good because I think nowadays in this generation you can see by the AI everyone, even the student, they are able to do their study very well. If they have any problem, so they can clear their doubts with the AI. And as he talked about we can know about the world, we can also know about the current affairs with the AI. So I think it is good for us.
Amit.
So definitely AI is the best you can say in this era. Because of the AI we are getting also lots of the benefits and merits too. Okay, you can see that in a student life. Okay, many of the poor who are studying in the government school, you can say those who are not being able to purchase lots of book and PDF like a sample paper in 10th and 12th class, we need a sample paper by which we can get a higher marks. If you do not have any money to purchase, so you can ask to ChatGPT and Globe, whatever, they can make a PDF and they will provide you, and by which you can study too. Okay, and if you see a long video which you can't study if you do not have any time, so you can just make a audio clip by the AI by which you can get, you can buy earphone and you will be listen. Okay, while applying the earphone. There are lots of as a benefits of the AI. If you search, so there are lots of tools by which our life is getting easy and we are just developing more and more. Just need you have to give your time in AI by which you can get the knowledge of the AI and the tools of AI by which you can earn a lot of, because the era is like that. The AI is coming. AI, you can say AI is a little baby now, so you should get a benefit of the AI by which you can earn lot. If you are thinking by the AI, we are jobs are snatching by the AI. So it's not like that. If you see the classic time, which if you are a 12th pass, so you can get a job. And if you see before some time that the graduated people who know the computer jobs, they were getting jobs. So the you can say world is changing nowadays. Okay, so why we have to give we have to focus on new technology. So it's not a fault of AI. AI is a good.
Yes. Okay, so if I talk about my point of view, definitely in present time we all consider that AI is the very beneficial thing for us because it helps a lot. But I'm worried about the future, because in future I don't think so it would be beneficial for us, because in future I think the upcoming time will be like that where AI will change entire environment of our living, because it will reduce the human power, it will reduce the human efforts also. and because of that AI will replace human after some time, and because of that the huge amount of population they will suffer, they will do struggle for their life, for the surviving. And because of the AI we can say that only the 1% people, those are the control of AI, I'm talking about the rich people in the world, only they will control AI and they will be take benefit from that. If I talk about other 99% of people, they will suffer from it in future. That's why I don't think so we should support AI as much and what we are doing nowadays.
Okay.
So what I personally think that AI is good because it is, you can say, good for growing ourselves. And I don't think that why people they are, you can say, against of AI, because you can say that if you use in a right way, so you will get benefit. Like if you know that food is good for our health, but if you eat over, it also impacts bad. So it depends on you that how you are using and how you are taking the benefit of AI.
In my point of view, there are so many. AI is good because there are so many countries. They are saving their secrets by means hacker that by the AI, and there are means we can also advertise anything, but we can advertise our tuition, we can advertise our academy by the AI.
So I would say I'm definitely gonna say that AI is good because if there is anything which gives us 50% benefit, we are gonna definitely believe it that it's good, not bad. Now what I think, there are so many AI, like it's most trending the black box AI. Whatever you search, it gives the answer immediately, and the question papers, whatever, it's very good nowadays. And ChatGPT, we know as that whenever we ask question, it replies us very like fast and something, but still there are so many features in that as well. We do not know about that. We can also talk ChatGPT as a person, like whatever you want in any language. Like if you want a person, women, men, anything. So I will prefer that it's very good nowadays, and definitely it's gonna give us job as well as somebody's talking about. It's gonna snatch, work harder. Work smarter, not harder. So it's good.
So in my point of view, I think that AI is good for us because if you see its effects are good. You can save your time. And second thing, if the work is being done in 1 hour, so you can done it in half an hour. And second thing is there are so many people who cannot go outside for earning, and they don't have legs. So by typing you can also earn a good salary. And third is that if you want to be unique, so if I think that a human mind cannot think that much unique that AI can think. And fourth thing that if you see there are so many people who want to be healthy in their life, so you can tell your all information and they can give you diet.
Alright. That's all about today's session.